Things I wish I knew before I moved to Canada. Moving here in Canada is not easy and it can also be very sad. Akala ng iba ang saya-saya ng buhay dito sa Canada. Without knowing na ang hirap ng buhay dahil hindi rin naman ganun kadali makipagkaibigan sa mga Filipino dito. You have to learn how to communicate. Expected na naman natin na once you come here to Canada, English is the first language. So technically, you have to communicate with other people speaking in English. So if you want to make friends and have a great network, learn how to communicate. Marami kasi sa atin sanay lang sumulat but not to speak. Maybe they're not confident, especially na laging grammar yung nanonotice. So if you want to move here to Canada, you need to practice now. And I'm gonna be honest, life here in Canada is really expensive. Maraming Pilipino ang iniisip na once mag-Canada ka, ang dami mo ng pera without knowing na sobrang laki ng gastos. That